Good evening and welcome to Middlesbrough Tonight. Breaking news, terrible crime waves continue. Earlier today, Miss Peregrine found her beloved peculiar plant missing from her bungalow. When will this crime wave stop? Here we have some live footage from the scene in question.
Whoa, is that the suspect?
Is take a small piece of filter paper, fold it in half, and again, until you have that corner right there. Then you go to the finger mark and you scrape off a small amount of blood away from the centre ridge detail. So that you have a red spot in the centre, just like that. Once you have the spot of blood in the middle of your filter paper, you want to take the hydrogen peroxide, screw off the lid, and one drop onto the blood. Just like that. Then you take the lukewarm malachite green, or LMG as it is commonly referred to, and one drop of that onto the centre as well. If the spot starts to turn green, as you can see here, that means it is positive for blood.
Today I'm going to show you how you take a swab of apparent blood from a tile. So first, you open your tube, you check that it wasn't tampered with, so you've opened it yourself. You open your water, you dip it in, and you seal it, because that is your first batch control swab. Next, you get your second swab, and again, you dip it in the water. Now this one is a background control swab, so you go round the apparent blood without physically touching the apparent blood, and you seal it. You then get your third swab, again, open it, dip it in the water. Now this one, you put on the apparent blood and you hold it for a couple seconds. You spin it slightly, the blood's at the bottom, goes in the tube. Because this one is blood and it's biohazard, you have to wrap biohazard tape around this part. Last but not least, after you've covered this one with biohazard tape and you've covered these two with clear tape, you put your minimum details on, you sign near the tape, you then get your tamper evidence bag, you put all three inside, you seal it up here. Once it's sealed, you fill in here your CJA label, and then you're finished.